This is a brand new 2011 Ford F-150. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 3.7-liter V6. Its top features include air conditioning, a double wishbone independent front suspension, 17-inch wheels, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, and 4 well-positioned speakers producing sound quality throughout the cabin. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
White Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 175 Old Farm Road in Roanoke Rapids.